Good morning. Welcome to our final All-Academy Assembly for this academic year. Please welcome Cadet Cooper Johnston to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now we're going to start with our 8th grade promotions. Colonel Grabowski.
Cadet Jacob Ryan Atkins. Cadet James Harrison Aldifer. Cadet Claudio Oreo Gonzalez. Cadet Jeffrey Anders Klingingpeel. Cadet Fred Cordero. Cadet Gavin Eugene Dooley. Cadet Michael Robert Imager. Cadet John Harold Farley. Cadet August Charles Jackson. Cadet Alex Chase Johnson. Good job, Alex. Cadet Humberto Juanquero Garcia Luna. Cadet Jaden Randall Lewis. Cadet Hayden Philip McKnight. Cadet Adrian Rodriguez. Cadet Luis Alberto Sas Zaragoza. Cadet Gunnar Everett Ward. Cadet Ethan Stone Winters. And Cadet Yulong Shu.
And now we're going to move on to the athletic awards. So Brian Minnie, our athletic director.
Thank you, Melissa. Good morning, everyone. Our first award is the Red Ireland Class of 1941. This award goes to the cadet who has qualities of loyalty and courage that combine to make a fighting heart. In the athletics department, James Red Wesley Ireland Jr. Class of 41 was a World War II and Korean veteran. This year's Red Ireland Award goes to Cadet Taiga Ruas. Next is the Alexander Ebersol Selfless Service Award. This is given to the cadet who exhibits courage and grit in the face of overwhelming adversity. Ebersol played football, basketball, and golf at MMA. He battled cancer his senior year and passed away in October of 2018. This year's winner of the Alexander Ebersol Award is Cadet Ryan Miles. Throughout his baseball career, Babe Ruth became one of the game's heroes, breaking baseball's records, most important, the slugging percentage record. While doing so, he became an icon in the sport. We have 2 Babe Ruth awards to present today. Our first up is our Middle School Sportsmanship Award winner, August Jackson. The high school Babe Ruth Sportsmanship Award winner is Cadet Paulo Pereira. The cadet who has an outstanding high school athletic career, lettered in 3 varsity sports, receives the Bohm Award for Outstanding MMA Athlete. The award is given in honor of Dr. Wilbur Harrison Smith Bohm, class of 1912, who was an athletic trainer. He was inducted into the National Athletic Trainers Association Hall of Fame. The Bohm Award goes to Cadet Nathan Dempsey. The Major George L. Piper Outstanding Middle School Athlete is given in honor of Major Piper, a middle school faculty member, athletic director, and commandant between 1943 and 1979. This year's Outstanding Middle School Athlete goes to Cadet Jeffrey Anders Klingenpil. Joe D. Bailey was a 40-year faculty member, athletic director, and head coach at MMA. He was a U.S. World War II veteran whose name is on the Wall of Honor. Our final sports award for this morning goes to the most dedicated varsity athlete at MMA in the 2023-24 sports season. This year's award goes to Cadet Trey Griffiths.
Now we'll move on to the JROTC Awards. Captain Joe Balvans.
Good morning. The Association of the United States Army Leadership in Academic Achievement Award is presented to the cadet with the highest ACT. This year, that award goes to Cadet Landon Meyer. The junior class cadet who displays exceptional potential for military leadership, good academic standing, high moral character, loyalty to the unit, school, and country, and has exceptional potential for military leadership will receive the Military Officers Association of America Award. Will Cadet Cruz Hagen please come forward to receive this honor? The Military Order of the Purple Heart Award is given to a cadet who demonstrates leadership ability and a positive attitude for junior ROTC and country, holds a leadership position in the Corps, is engaged in extracurricular activities, and holds a 3.0 average or better in academics. The Military Order of the Purple Heart is given to Cadet ZG Joe. The National Sojourners Association exists to encourage and support current and former members of the Uniformed Services of the United States in patriotism. This award is given to the cadet who encourages and demonstrates Americanism in the Corps in the second or third year of junior ROTC and is in the top 25% of all academic classes. This year's National Sojourner Award is given to Cadet Samuel Way. If Mr. J. Scott Adams is present, please come to the stage. The next award is presented on behalf of Mr. Scott Adams, Missouri Post Department Commander, United States Marine Corps Corporal, to present the American Veterans Medal for Military Excellence. The criteria for this award is the following: outstanding cadet performance, dependability, good character, military discipline, leadership, patriotic understanding of junior ROTC, in the third of a four-year program, academic good standing, and military bearing. The recipient of this award is Cadet Kuslin Termunk. The Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War is given to a cadet who demonstrates patriotism, high academic performance, and leadership. The recipient this year is Cadet Matthew Hallam.
Next, we have the Steve Walker Memorial Award for the Most Outstanding First-Year Cadet. This recipient this year is Cadet Luis Ochoa. The Davison Broadcasting Award is awarded to a cadet broadcaster who did the most to present the MMA story by audio-video communication. George Davison, class of 1968, was a TV and radio broadcaster. The recipient this year is Cooper Johnston. And next, Colonel Grabowski will present Commandant Awards.
Thank you, Melissa. The Major Jerome G. Harris Award for the most soldierly qualities in ROTC High School. This award goes to Cadet Evan Batson. The Major Jerome G. Harris Award for the most soldierly qualities in ROTC Middle School goes to Cadet John Palucci. The Richard Benton Hall Class of 1976 Memorial Award is presented to the underclassman cadet who best exemplifies a true gentleman. This year's recipient is Cadet Gahana Favor Naziza. The Hal Heyman All-American Boy Award is given to the middle school cadet with characteristics that promote American values. It is given in honor of Cadet Harold David Heyman, who died at the age of 12 in a car accident. This year's Hal Heyman Award goes to Fred Cordero. The next series of awards, we'll ask that the cadets come up individually, is the Meritus Discipline Awards. This award represents outstanding and honorable conduct for the entire school year. Please come up to the stage as I call your name. Cadet Braden Atterbury. Cadet Aiden Bedo. Cadet Mason Brooks. Cadet Jose Elizondo. Cadet Gaston Gistellum. Cadet August Jackson. Cadet Cam Ho Liu. Cadet Marcus Miller. Cadet Erdembayar Mukbalor. Cadet Luis Ochoa. Cadet Paul Pereira. Cadet Michael Pfeiffer. Cadet Eric Schellebarger. And Bradley Thumby.
And now Mr. Rob Silball will be here to present the Rotary Leaders of Tomorrow Scholarship Awards.
Good morning. These awards are presented to middle school cadets who have shown a willingness to contribute to the community, excel academically, and show great leadership qualities. This year's Rotary Leaders of Tomorrow are Cadets Adrian Rodriguez and August Jackson. Congratulations.
Next to be presented are our academic awards. Ms. Morris. The Judy A. Twells Middle School Drama Award goes to Alfred Cadoro. Now Mr. Rob Dalton will begin the English Department Awards. Lyle Wilson was a 1917 graduate of MMA. He worked for the United Press International as a national correspondent and a former vice president. The Lyle C. Wilson Journalism Award goes to yearbook cadet Deontay Kearns. Thomas F. Eagleton was a Missouri United States Senator from 1968 to 1987. The two English awards given out in his honor, one for a junior and one for a senior cadet, but both are for excellence in English. The two award winners this year are Cadets Cruz Hagan and Braden Phelps. The final English award is given in memory of former MMA English faculty member Major William L. Bryan. It is given to a cadet who has shown excellence in writing. Cadet Miles Matthews, please come forward to receive this award. Next, Ms. Chin will do the ESL Department Award. Sylvia Mansfield was an MMA faculty member from 1999 to 2010. The Sylvia Mansfield Memorial Award goes to a high school cadet who has the highest ESL grade, the best classroom behavior, low to no tours, positive class participation, and has shown great improvement. This award goes to Cadet Triette Bowie. And Mr. McCleary? For outstanding knowledge and appreciation of constitutional government, the Senator John C. Danforth Award is given to Cadet Gabriel Iglesias. Mr. Pemberton, Mr. Miller will come now to present the Science and Math Awards. The David Whitney Conservation Award is given to the cadet who has the highest average in environmental science, interest, and appreciation in conservation. Whitney was a nominated Pulitzer Prize writer and a sports and conservation enthusiast. This award is presented to Cadet Josiah Imager. In recognition of the cadet who, in the opinion of the math department, is the top student in math, the Colonel Darrell S. Coolman Award is given annually. This year's award winner is Cadet Ji Zhu. Next, Ms. Raynert, is the Enright Business Award. In recognition of the cadet who has shown proficiency in business and computer studies, this year's winner of the Enright Business Award is Cadet Paulo Abreu.
Good morning, everyone. Next, the highest scholarship awards will be given. These go to the cadets who have attended MMA the whole of the 2023-2024 school year, are in good standing in deportment, and have the highest cumulative GPA in each grade. As I call your name, please come forward to receive your award. For the 7th grade, Cadet Brian O'Dwyer Moore. For 8th grade, Cadet August Jackson. For 9th grade, Cadet Eric Schellebarger. For 10th grade, Cadet Clayton Reich. And for 11th grade, Cadet Mason Brooks. The Senior Higher Scholarship Awards and the Salutatorian and Valedictorian will be recognised tomorrow at commencement. The next award is the 28 Plus Award. This recognises cadets who score a 28 or better on the ACT test. A score of 28 places the cadet in the top 10% of all test takers nationwide. This year we add Cadet Landon Meyer to this distinguished list. We now have further academic awards for 9th, 10th and 11th grade. The Class of 1968 Freshman Leadership Award is given to the 9th grade cadet who displays leadership qualities, shows promise of campus leadership and has a GPA of 2.5 or better. This year's Freshman Leadership Award goes to Cadet Eric Schellebarger. The next award is for a 10th grade cadet, and it is the Dr. Gregory Doc MacDonald Memorial Award. Doc MacDonald was a faculty member and coach from 2007 to 2015. This award recognises a sophomore who conducts himself with honour. This year the award is given to Cadet Eric Bond. And finally, the John W. Fritsch 1949 Award is given to a junior who exemplifies honour, good discipline, academic excellence, and service to the Academy. The John W. Fritsch was a member of the Board of Trustees, and this year's award is given to Cadet Cruz Hagen.
One of the highest compliments paid in the U.S. Naval Forces is the Bravo Zulu. The combination of the Bravo and Zulu nautical signal flags is a naval signal typically conveyed by flag hoist or voice radio, meaning well done about actions, operations, or performance. This award is bestowed upon you in recognition of your exemplary effort, commitment, and pursuit of excellence in coaching golf at MMA. Mr. Anthony Iannelli. Our next set of awards is to recognize employees who displayed tremendous work ethic and collaboration with colleagues for the entire school year. The first one is the Coach of the Year. For outstanding performance and success as the tennis coach, your high level of commitment and dedication to our tennis cadet success and your expertise have led to an undefeated season during spring 2024, 10-0. And an overall record of 47-6 over the last 4 years, 3 district MSHA team championships, and a state Final Four appearance. Coach Smith motivates our cadets to perform at their highest level and daily demonstrates his own exceptional level of commitment to the academy. A great coach will make his players see what they can be rather than what they are. Please welcome Brad Smith to receive the 2023-2024 Coach of the Year. Our final award is the Employee of the Year. For outstanding performance as a creative marketing photographer, videographer, your professional skills, conscientiousness, willingness to go the extra mile, resilience, and determination to showcase the Academy's best have significantly contributed to the fulfillment of our Academy mission. Your positive attitude and overall work ethic provide an example for others to follow. Matt Jackson is Employee of the Year. And now, General JROTC for his closing remarks.
Well, what a wonderful ceremony. First, I want to welcome all of our parents and family members. This is just a wonderful day for us. We've got a lot of activities going on today. We're certainly honoring our seniors starting after this event. But I want to start by recognizing our 8th graders who we just promoted. We don't call it a graduation, we call it a promotion. This is a special school. It's not easy for any of the cadets. But when you have 7th and 8th graders who come to the academy and who have performed like the 8th graders that we recognize today, I want everybody to know that that is really impressive. And it is a promotion. We want them to come back and enter high school based on what they have achieved as middle school cadets. I've been at the academy long enough now to have seen 7th and 8th graders rise to be senior cadet leaders in the Corps as juniors and seniors. And as I mentioned to the 8th graders yesterday when we were practicing, I see that same leadership potential. And if you go back and look at some of the ceremonies that we've had over the last month, you see a lot of the same cadets getting recognized in sports, in art, academically, their conduct in the Corps. We've got some wonderful young men in middle school, and I'm looking forward to seeing what they do as they keep their eye on the prize to graduate from the academy. Let's give those 8th graders a round of applause again. I'd like to recognize all of our award winners today. It's not easy at the Academy. This is not your average high school. We have high expectations. So those cadets who are being recognized today, I would like to think that they're a notch above students getting the same recognition at other high schools. They just are. We have very high expectations for our cadets, and for the parents that are visiting us this weekend, I want you to observe as we go through the day today and tomorrow, the cadets are leading the way. The cadets are in charge. Every opportunity that we can give them to put them up front, starting with doing announcements to start the academic day in the academic building, heading up Vespers every Sunday night, being narrators. They hear me enough. I like to put the cadets out in front because I always tell them they don't know how good they are. But I think you're starting to see with this group of young men that they are really good. And so when you're watching the baccalaureate today, if you're involved in that, the senior banquet tonight, commencement tomorrow, and final formation, look at the cadets, the cadet leaders who are really running the show. They have to memorize their part. They have to take charge. And they always come through. That is really our leader development model. I challenge you to go to other high schools and see if you see the same thing from those students. I am very proud of all these young men, certainly proud of those that we recognize today. Finally, we've got such a wonderful group of employees, dedicated staff, faculty, and coaches who simply care. They care about the success of all these young men. So it's always a privilege for me to honor our employees for what they do. And at the Academy, it's a 24/7 job. So once again, congratulations to all of our cadets and employees who were recognized today. Thank you to our staff, faculty, and coaches. And again, welcome to all of our parents and family members. I hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend, and it does not look like it's going to rain. Thank you.